Lesson 27. J, j, j. Jam, major, gem, budget, educate, schedule. Jam, jaw, jeans, job, joke, Joan, James, jacket, jaguar, Japan, janitor, jealousy, jellyfish, justify, juvenile, general, generous, genuine, geology, germ, Germany, gigantic, ginger, giraffe, gymnasium. Middle, eject, major, object, rejoice, enjoy, ninja, injury, majority, adjust, dojo, aged, agent, fragile, origin, Egypt, educate or educate, schedule, individual, module, procedure, gradual, graduate, midget, budget, Dodgers, with the Z sound, Dodgers. And rage, huge, page, baggage, bandage, cabbage, college, courage, damage, garbage, image, language, manage, marriage, message, lodge, badge, budge, dodge, ridge, knowledge, bridge, fridge, grudge, porridge. Exemptions: soldier, grandeur. Sentence practice. Jack the jailbird jacked a jeep. A gentle judge judges justly. James jostled Jean while Jean jostled Joan. Jolly Jack and joyful Jill are jumping down the jagged hill. John Johnson joined jealous Jenny Jerry making apple jelly. Jane and Jenny in their blue jackets are watching the jaguar in the cage. It was a joy for Jack and George, the German boys, to cross the large bridge before entering the village. Our Joe wants to know if your Joe will lend our Joe your Joe's banjo. If your Joe won't lend our Joe your Joe's banjo, our Joe won't lend your Joe our Joe's banjo when our Joe has a banjo. Actual practice. Jam, jar, jog, Joe, jeans, James, jungle, pigeon, wage, manager, Jess, project, urgently, language, jelly, juice, garbage, vegetables, soldier, courage. Homework. Jane and Jenny, in their blue jackets, are watching the jaguar in the cage.